Why are we back at this again? Can't I just catch a fucking break from this? Pardon me, did I review you before? Oh god, Sebastian. The sheep is coming after me! Whoa, that's quite a patch job. I mean, it couldn't get worse, right? Oh my god, not again! Where are the cab windows? Oh, wait a minute, it's a B unit. Why Canadian Pacific? Why? Well, this is a regular CNGP-38 at shoe. Hopefully it's nothing. What is that? What? Horrible patch job. Didn't I also review you before? Oh no! The sheep is everywhere! I don't need no lie to see you shine. It's your golden hour. Oh god, I might get copyrighted for that. Here's a little backstory. This unit was unveiled in 1977 for the Baltimore and Ohio's 150th anniversary. If you're wondering what it looks like now, this is what it looks like now. Yeah. You know, KCS's bicentennial units have an interesting paint scheme. Despite the fact it was designed by an elementary school kid. What the fuck? Oh, hey look, it's 4834. Hopefully nothing's gonna change. Oh, hey look, it's a CNO Heritage unit. Well, a dollar store Heritage unit. Hopefully it doesn't get... No, PLXY! Okay. This is just a patched B&O GP38. Hopefully there's nothing... Oh, what the fuck? This game looks good. Despite the fact that it's a hybrid, but still good overall. There are 2 units in this picture that have a numbering crisis. Can you find them? I'm not going to question the fact why CSX didn't bother to put any numbers or lettering on this unit.